Hi friends, in this video we will going to know latest wall molding design ideas and what will price for making this kind of wall moldings. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. Wall moldings is executive design that can elevate the overall look of your house from traditional to modern styles. There are variety of molding designs that can visual appeal and character to any room, and whatever your prefer simple or understand look or bold and integrate design, there is wall moldings is the best and suit for your taste. And wall molding designs, these molding designs on walls are popular the choice of homeowners. You want create the unique and personalized look for your houses. Moldings can be made from variety of materials including wood, PVC and plaster, and can be painted or stained and matched decor of your house. With the right molding design, you can create stunning focal point of any room. The price of wall molding designs in India, it's depend on factors such as the size, material, design and complexity and installation charges. And here is overview of the approximate price ranges and based on materials is commonly used. The wall molding is a commonly used materials are the first one is the PVC wall moldings. This price range is 200 to 1200. This is the price for 8 foot piece. It's affordable and lightweight and water resistant, ideal for area prone to moisture. And another one is the wood moldings. This price is the 500 to 2500 per 8 foot piece, and it's durable and elegant but require minimal maintenance, best and suitable to the premium interiors. And another one is MDF. This price range is the starting from 300 to 1000 per 8 foot piece. It's budget friendly and customization and smooth finishes. It's not suitable for damp environments. And another one is the plaster of POP, that means plaster of Paris. This moldings is price range is starting from 800 to 300 per square foot. It's offered to the integrate detailing and easy paint suitable for ceilings and walls. Another one is the gypsum ceilings and gypsum moldings. This price range is the 150 rupees to 400 per square foot. It is a fire resistant and lightweight. It's ideal for decorative panels, and installation charges will be 200 to 300 per square foot. The cost may be increased for intricate designs or difficult installations. The basic designs is the 700 to 1000 per square foot, including materials and labor charges. High-end custom designs 1200 to 2500 per square foot. Consider your interior theme and moisture levels before selecting the material. Consult professional accurate measurement and design suggestions. Would you like help to the selecting specific design or understanding installation details? Wall molding, also known as a wall trim, it serves as both decorative and functional purpose in interior design. It enhances the authentic appeal of your room by adding depth, character, and elegance. It's transforming the plain walls into the statement pieces. Functionality molding can conceal imperfections and protect the walls from damage and hide unsightly gaps or voids. In India, the cost of wall moldings varies based on factors such as the material, design, complexity, and installation charges. Common materials include wood, MDF, or PVC, and plaster, each with its own price ranges. For instance, PVC moldings are budget friendly, ranging from 200 to 112 sorry 200 to 1200 per 8 foot piece. It's depending on the It's depending on the design. When calculate the overall cost, its estimate consider both materials and labor charges. On average, material cost range from 500 to 900 per square foot, while labor charges are approximately 200 to 300 per square foot. It's bring the total to the around 700 to 1100 per square foot. Different types of wall molding such as crown molding and wine coating and panel molding. It's offered to the various aesthetics effects and comes in different price points. For example, wine coating is the cost between 135 to 200 per running put, as depending on the materials and finishes we use. And incorporate wall moldings into your home design can significantly enhance the visual appeal and functionality. It is advisable to consult the professional